What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tina Shay, and I'm coming back to you guys with another video. Okay, so in today's video, I am going to be doing a dewy makeup tutorial, which is also going to incorporate a one eyeshadow tutorial also, which is super easy and super quick, especially for the summer. I really hope you guys like this video. If you haven't already, please press the notification bell, and if you can't do that, that means you haven't subscribed yet. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified whenever I upload a video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you don't like this video, then just walk away. Like, nobody needs your opinion, boo-boo. No, I'm just kidding.
Where the shaking.
Okay, so as you guys can see, I've already done my brows off camera. I really didn't do much but fill them in a bit and just carve out the bottom half of my brows, because usually when I apply my concealer all over my face, I carve out the top, so no need to do a double step. So next thing I'm going to go into is my moisturizing lotion. You can use whatever moisturizing lotion that you like, but me personally, I love the Dermasil. You guys see that? I love the Dermasil Aloe Fresh Lotion. Like, I freaking love this stuff. One, it's really cheap. You can pick this up at your local 99-cent store. Don't go to Walmart because you'll spend like $10 on a bottle like this, but you can spend 99 cents at your 99-cent store. Yeah, get like that.
Yeah, get like that.
So I'm just gonna take this moisturizing lotion and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. I like to apply my moisturizing lotion before my primer and my pore eraser, because it allows the moisturizing lotion to do its job to make your skin nice and soft, and to hydrate your skin regardless if you're using a dewy foundation or a matte foundation. So after applying your moisturizing lotion, you want to let that sit on your skin for a bit, and from here you do want to start your eyeshadow. I prefer to do my eyeshadow before I do my foundation, because for one, if you make any mistakes, it's easy to remove and start over, and two, it reduces you having to pick up fallout on your concealer, which doesn't come out easily, and if it does come out, you probably messed up what's already on your face. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazelnut. And I'm using this as a base before I apply my eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna press and swipe that all over my lids. Baby Fox just tried to get you? You for real, sis? Oh my God. Why didn't you run? Why didn't you run? I didn't hear no screams. I would have came and got you. Run with you. Okay, so you don't want to set your lids, but you do want to go in with the shade that you're choosing to use. I'm being a little spontaneous today. I'm going to go in with this greenish teal color right here. And I'm just going to apply this to the top half of my brow. that I've applied that onto my lids, I'm gonna go in with the same color on a very, very dense brush, and I'm gonna just press this into the socket of my eye without moving it. It already looks like a whole different color. So now that that color is blended all the way up, I'm gonna go in with the best black eyeliner. This is the best black eyeliner. This eyeliner has the perfect applicator. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a pointy applicator. It's not too bendy, it's not too sharp. The eyeliner dries matte. It dries pretty fast. It's really easy. Well, I'm exaggerating, but it's really easy to apply, especially for beginners. So now I'm gonna go in with the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm gonna apply this to my T-zone areas. Okay, so in between moisturizer and primers, you do want to give them a second to soak into your skin. And now I'm going to go in with the NYX Studio Perfect Photo Loving Primer. They need to shorten their name because ain't nobody got time to be saying that whole thing on video. I'm sorry. And I'm just going to apply this all over my face also. Foundation that I'm using today is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Mocha. Okay, so now that I have my foundation on and it's looking really, really good, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Contour Cream Kit, and I'm gonna go into this deepest shade right here, and I'm just gonna apply this to my contour areas. Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Hazelnut, and I'm just going to apply that to all my highlighting areas. Going back in with the brush I use for my concealer, which is the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm going to blend that that contour up into that concealer. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm just going to go in and press that concealer into my skin. So now I'm going to go in with this cream contour again, and I'm going to use that same shade, and I'm just going to define my nose. So now that I've blended out that concealer and contour, I'm going to go in with my custom setting powder. The reason why I call it a custom setting powder is because I made my own mixture. I mixed the Maybelline loose setting powder in the shade Deep, and I also used the black Radiance setting powder. So I mixed those setting powders together to get my perfect shade, and now I'm going to go in with one of these small little setting sponges. Now that I have the powder down, I'm going to go in with this beautiful fluffy brush from Real Techniques, and I'm just going to swipe away any excess powder. I already have the medium to dark palette. I just picked up the dark to deep. Alright, so I'm going to go in with this brush right here, and I'm going to go into that sculpting shade here just to bring some warmth back into my face. So now I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Toasted Almond Blush, and I'm just going to apply this to my cheeks. So now that I've applied the blush to my cheeks, I'm going to go in with this big bronzer. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's the Black Radiance Big Bronzer in the shade Ginger Snap. Okay, so I am also trying out a new setting spray. Kind of nervous about this, especially because I am very picky when it comes to setting spray. I only say this because like some setting spray just be feeling like water. Like they don't do nothing. They don't give you that luminous like glow that you really you know that you're looking for. So I'm gonna go in with this Black Radiance Dewy setting spray. It's called. It says that it's a luminous and set, so we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a lip. So I'm gonna go in with a brown lip liner. This nude lipstick from NYX. And on top of that, I'm gonna add this gloss I got from Milani. If you guys like this look, if you guys want to see another one eyeshadow look, just let me know. This is the final look. Oh my god.